YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Market seems like it's possibly looking to turn around. Maybe, I don't know. Bitcoin seeming to have bounced off this 64K range, shooting all the way up to 67 and seeing some serious price action today. This is actually really good. What was our low today? Actually was 61. We jumped off 61. So we hit 60. We dropped all the way to 60 and we shot all the way up to 67. And that has done some crazy things to the marketplace. Let's also look at what's going on with Solana right now. Solana is sitting at a 187, 185. So market's slowly starting to recover. The meme markets are also slowly starting to recover. And some of the coins that we were just talking about yesterday going absolutely crazy, guys. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the fact that Munch is up like 300%. We talked about this thing at a 1 million market cap just yesterday, guys. Go look at that video. It was at 1.05 and now it's at 3.44. So congratulations all you guys that were in this trade. This is once again a top trending coin on DexTools, and again a coin that we are early on. If you guys love the fact that we do this all the time, like we are always letting you know, well, not we, it's me, I'm always letting you know what is going to be pretty much trending. I'm pretty accurate with it, and this was a really good pick by your boy right here on Munch. So congratulations all you guys that are seeing some good profits with Munch. Let's talk about some other coins that I also talked about just yesterday, guys. Please go watch the video after you watch this video that I made yesterday, because you're gonna be like, dang man, he really tried to tell me this. Also look at Skid, right? We talked about Skid on the channel. Also I even talked about the fact that I'm a buyer at 10 million market cap, and look at this, boys, sitting at 17 million a day, up 80% in the past 24 hours. Guys, nobody does it better. This is what I try to tell you guys. We make money even through the turbulence, even through the hard times. We've been making money on the trade. So if you're not tapped in, I'm not sure why you're not tapped in. Let me make this trade smaller just so you guys can kind of see what I'm looking at with Skid and what with some of these other coins are going to give a little bit of TA, right? This thing dropped a little bit below the Fibonacci, but still staying above. This is what I want to see in my 30-minute chart. I want to see the fact that we're trending once again above this. So I feel good about Skid. Skid showing some definite bull signs of possible cup and handle here. Need to break out of this upper Kettner channel though in order for us to see a good price pump. But again, up 83%, 84%. This is a coin that could really run. This is a coin, I mean, that yesterday wasn't even the first time. Yesterday it was just a 10 million market cap, but the first time I talked about this coin, I don't know. Somebody let me know in the comments below. What was it at, guys? This thing has been on a run for like a couple of days now. Even some days of this thing going up like 300, 400%. I'm pretty sure we caught this around maybe like 2-3 million, and we're at 17 now. So again, tap in, boys. I don't know what to say. Tap in. Another thing that we're talking about is this trade that I'm kind of stuck in. So I took a I don't know if I consider it a bad trade, because again, hopefully we're starting to bottom out, but I definitely bit early on this trade. I did know that this coin had a pre-launch. Usually in a pre-launch there would be a big sell-off. I thought this was the sell-off, boys. I thought this was the sell-off, and it ended up going back up. And then it ended up going down. I ended up seeing some real sell-off into the night, and now this thing is starting to once again trend above this Bollinger Band, which is a good situation for me. This thing is slowly starting to climb back up in market cap, so maybe I won't get stuck in this coin. I don't know, but again, it's just a poo coin, guys, so I'm not married to it. Once I start making my money back again, I think I got in over here. Once I start making my money back, I'm going to definitely be watching this more closely, because again, this is a coin that I did have a lot of bullish feelings towards, but the only reason why I feel like it kind of didn't do well yesterday is because Radium went down the same day that they launched their token. Radium went down, so that just sucks. That's a crappy launch, but it is what it is. Also, they were trading into a lot of volatility, and I lost a good amount of money in Solana, but I didn't sell. That's the thing, I did not sell. So when you don't sell, it benefits you. I almost opened my wallet right there. Y'all wish. But anyway, yeah, I almost sold that, and I'm glad that I didn't sell it, because right now the market cap's sitting at 28 million. Sometimes it pays to be patient. Will I get wrecked? Maybe. I don't know. There's been some big buy orders coming in though. There's a buy order right here for 9,000. Been seeing some pretty hefty buys, a lot of shrimp sells, but some good size chunky buys. So that's what I want to see in my coin. Again, I'm patient with it, boys. You know, how far down can Bitcoin go? Can Solana have more upside? I do think that Solana will have more upside. Of course, with Bitcoin rallying, but again, Bitcoin is not out of the woods, boys. But it's definitely pumping right now at the time of this video. But again, I want to show you guys this 1 month chart also. Still a lot of chop, and the 1 year chart still overall creating this bear flag that we had talked about. But hey, the market's completely not predictable. You know, we just do the best we can. We use indicators and we use TA to find good entry points, and that's basically what I've been doing. I was up all night scoping this freaking coin. I don't think I went to sleep last night till like 3 o'clock. If you guys follow me on IG, you were watching all of my stories of me sitting, waiting on the bottom, waiting on the bottom. But yeah, sometimes you got to be patient in your trades. You know, if you're already down like me, I woke up, I was down like 70% today. And so I was like, well, I guess it's just one of them trades where I'm just stuck. So sometimes it just be like that, boys. Sometimes you just get stuck in a poo coin. But I didn't over leverage, so I'm not really tripping. Like, the only time you'd be tripping is if you spent too much money that you couldn't afford to lose. But again, guys, if you're just betting money that you can't afford to lose, then you're not going to be so emotionally invested. But at the same time, I have a decent amount of money in this, enough for me to be watching what's happening to it. And paying attention. Definitely looking at this 2-hour chart, looking at this 1-hour chart. Definitely want to stay above this orange. So it's not out of the woods yet. 30 minutes looking good. We just started seeing a lot of this price action in the past 30 minutes, though. That's why. So 15-minute also looking good. Starting to see more buy pressure. 5-minute, I'm sure it looks like we're riding some kind of trend here. Hopefully, going to keep riding this trend, and this Bollinger Band just keep taking us up again with hopeful intent, or hopeful feelings that we will see some new higher highs with this and a cup and handle playing out. But again, can also be a bear flag, right, boys? It's just looking like a Nike check right now, so that's not amazing. We do want to see this starting to round out a little bit more, but that's going to happen on the smaller charts. Like, you'll see that type of price volume on the smaller chart, like maybe the 1-hour chart. Yeah, start seeing this rounding out right here. What we don't want to see, though, is a rejection of this range right here. We need to we're at the decision point in this trade right here. So definitely watching this, like I've been watching it all night. Let me know also, guys, what coins you guys are watching. If you didn't get a chance to get on the live, guys, you got to start getting involved in those lives. I go live every Tuesday and Thursday, but with all the market volatility, I just decide to go live like whenever. Like, if you just might see me go live. That's why you got to hit that notification button, because I'll be live and you can ask me about coins, and you can ask me about what I'm looking at and stuff like that. I get a lot more engaged in those lives. So if you have a lot of questions, live is the place to be. And also, guys, follow me on IG, because a lot of the times I'll find something really good and I'll just post it on IG before I have time to make a video on it. So I think Instagram is probably the best place to catch me. But I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.